G'day humans, Chris Stead here. I was at the recent Roborock launch event for its 2025 range of vacuum cleaners, robot vacuum cleaners and wet dry vacuums. And in this video, I'm going to show you the F25 Ace and the F25. So two new entries in the stick vacuum range coming out of Roborock. First off, I'm going to show you the presentation provided by Roborock, and then I'm going to take you on to a live demo that I did, where I basically have a good look at the two vacuums side by side, as well as use it myself, and you'll be able to see it in action, cleaning up a couple of floors in the event space that they had set up there in Sydney, Australia. Anyway, let's dive in.
Now, let's turn our attention to today's final standout product line, the F25 series, Roborock's next generation wet and dry vacuum. The F25 series combines edge-to-edge wet and dry vacuum cleaning, the low-profile navigation, and adaptive self-cleaning technology. Let's start with some basic metrics first. The F25 series comes with an industry-leading 20,000 par hyperforce suction power at a cleaning frequency of 450 RPM and larger than 20 and downward pressure. This incredible number just shows you one thing, that F25 series is able to handle everything, from the big messy to the daily cleaning routine or everything in between. Now, let's take a look at some specific innovation technology comes with the F25 series. Let's look at the roller first. The roller reaches edge to edge with the side margin no more than 1 millimeter. It means no corner, no edge will be left untouched after the cleaning. On top of that, we have also introduced our JawScrapers system into the roller, which is a combination of two sets of scraper. On the top, we have a street scraper which could apply consistent pressure to the roller to make it stay dry and clean. And below here, we have a shark tooth blade which could capture each hair to ensure 0% hair entanglement rate. F25 series is also designed to handle those tight spaces as low as 12.5 centimeters. With the Flat Reach 2.0 technology, the F25 series could lay completely flat at 180 degrees with full suction power and no water leakage. Maneuverability is another important factor we are considering when we build this wet and dry vacuum. Thanks to the SlideTech 2.0 technology, it ensures the F25 series deliver ultra-smooth maneuverability experience at millisecond level response time. And the low-positioned water tank and the 70-degree swivel design makes the F25 series literally move as you move. Last but not least, the self-maintenance system. The F25 series comes with a powerful self-maintenance system. As soon as you put it back to the dock, it will be followed by 90-degree hot water self-cleaning and 90-degree hot air self-drying, all completed within 5 minutes. And with the app compatibility, you can check the status of your vacuum in the real time. Now, let's take a look at the price. There will be in total of two products under this product line. We have the F25 Ace, which has all the functions I just mentioned, and to meet a wider range of Australian family cleaning needs. It's priced at 999 Australian dollars and is available starting from today. We also have the F25, which is designed to meet the essential Australian family cleaning needs at a more affordable price. It's priced at 699 Australian dollars.
So during the presentation there, she wasn't very clear exactly on what you're getting for your extra $300 between the F25 Ace and the F25, so let's just go through that quickly. There are three main features that are exclusive, I guess you could say, to the F25 Ace here in Australia. Now, there's the most obvious, which is the big wheels you can see on it, and that's the SlideTech 2.0. So that's an AI enhanced wheel system that basically improves your maneuverability, and I certainly did notice that when I was using it. In fact, it actually worked pretty well, like side to side, as much as it did back and forth. So the AI basically jumps in and helps the wheels go the way that you want them to go, and it does make a difference. There's also an auto detergent dispenser in the F25 Ace, and there's also one-touch app customization as an option in the F25 Ace. So those are the three big differences that you'll get for your extra $300. All right, now let's have a just a enjoyable look over these vacuums in action.
It's really cool. I want to be like a robot scientist when I was a kid. I think this is the best I'm back into that. So thank you. This song is called Things That Don't Make Sense. It was my single that I had way back then, sleeping on the weekend, waking up to win, trying to find reason to read back through your text. Is it ever cool to make sense? Feels like a lonely night. It's you to say goodbye. I don't know why, no matter how hard I try, it's never cool to make sense.
Can I know your name?
Chris,
Chris, yeah. You also just tell me that
can you throw some of that on the ground?
Yeah?
Can you throw some chips?
Yes, you want to. Oh, actually, we can do chips and milk together.
Let's talk about love. Let's talk about
clean the wire. I will stop it. It can be drying by itself because ice in Australia is wet and everything will be smell bad if it didn't get dry. Yeah. So it can be controlled by your application. So the one is not good here. Also, you can choose these things to adjust the suction. Also, the water come here. It can be the flow can be low, also medium or high, and we can control all of this by our application. So this is for the whole thing of this machine. Okay.